Remote work is here to stay. It's happening all around us, at home, in coffee shops, and everywhere in between. It's a model that's been adopted in 56% of businesses globally and is consistently growing. But where work gets done is not as important as the leader's ability to ensure their performers deliver results while also keeping them motivated and engaged. You're already navigating this dynamic workscape, but are you doing it well? Effective leadership can be challenging even when face-to-face, but those challenges multiply with the hurdles of a remote environment, such as no impromptu encounters in the hallway and limited opportunities to read the subtle cues of body language and facial expressions. Whether it's you, your entire team, or just a few people working remotely, the question remains, how can you all evolve and thrive in this environment? A Live Career survey revealed that 45% of remote performers report issues with staying motivated, and Forbes noted that 53% struggle to feel connected. And while every remote performer is unique and has different needs, they all desire the same level of authentic, intentional leadership that you'd provide in person, if not more. Digital tools can bridge the distance for tracking productivity and task performance. But favorably influencing success, connection, and engagement has more to do with people than technology and data points. The key to successful remote leadership is understanding and adapting to the needs of your team, even when they're miles away. Think about your current remote leadership practices. Maybe you've been leading remotely for some time and feel like your approach could use improvement. Or are you new to remote leadership and want to start off strong? Either way, it's time to ask yourself, what's working and what's not?